Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth video of the Learn HTML series. In this video we will use the file that we've made in the previous video and add some content with attributes to it, so we can provide additional information about our elements. So let's go to our previous file and open it with the text editor. I'm going to open it with Notepad. So here we go. First thing to know about attributes is that any HTML element can have attributes. They provide additional information about the elements. So let's add a title to our heading by adding an attribute to the h1 element. I've noticed that I opened the template file, which is the wrong one. Let's open the elements file, open with Notepad, and here we go. Here we got our heading and our paragraph. So let's add a title to this. So to do this, an attribute, it is always specified in the starting tag, and it usually comes in name value pairs with the following syntax: name equals double quotes, and in the double quotes the value. To add a title to our heading, we use the name title for the name. So let's replace this by title, and let's say our title is going to be Now You See Me. So here we go, we got our first attribute. The title attribute is also known as a tooltip, and its value is shown when you hover over the element. So let's save our file. So file, save as. Let's save this as attributes.html. Now let's open it. And here we don't see the attribute because you can only see it when you hover over the element where we defined the attribute. So we defined the attribute title in the heading. So when we hover over the heading, we can see Now You See Me. So now let's add some styling to our paragraph by adding a style attribute to our paragraph element. So let's go back to our file, go inside the opening tag of the paragraph. Let's use the same syntax as before and use style as a name. And as a value, we will use color red. This is also known as CSS and is a styling language to make your HTML elements look better. I will create a new series about CSS, so you can learn about it more in the near future. Let's save our file. Save. And let's have a look at the results. So refresh our page. And here we go. We can see that our paragraph is now red. Last but not least, we have to add the lang attribute to our HTML element. You should always include the lang attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist search engines and browsers. We can specify the English language as following. So in the starting HTML tag, we type in lang equals en. This makes sure our browser knows that we use the English language for our HTML file. So now let's save it, and now we've learned about attributes and how to use them. In the next video we will learn more about headings, the different types of headings, and why they are important to use. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.